Hey guys, so it's a bit bright out here, but today I'm working on this 15 horse Johnson. And I got some pretty old fuel lines in here. This is a 79 15 horse. So I'm gonna be replacing the fuel line up to the fuel pump there. And then this line here to the carburetor. I recently just rebuilt the carburetor and I'm still having some fuel issues. I think it's sucking air in. So this is try 2. If this don't work, I'm taking the carburetor off and seeing if I did something wrong. All right, let's get to it. Yeah, it's definitely leaking fuel there. Definitely. Ah, got it. I was zip tied on. Where'd I put them? All right, guys, this is why we're replacing it. All right, so if you can see here, this is why we are replacing it. It is beat. Okay, now let's get the line from the carburetor to the fuel pump off. I've put this one on a couple times now, just never replaced it. Without tearing it up. Alright folks, so now that I've figured out how to take it off, I can tell you. So you have to take that screw out that's located right there, this little guy, and it holds on this bracket. And you don't have to, but mine was held on with a zip tie right there. You can see, so I couldn't see the zip tie when I started. But look how just this fuel line is, man. Oh, definitely needed replacing. Here's one of the wear points that came from right there where it went through this thing right in there. You can kind of see it. And it also runs under these two bolts. And that was a wear point too. So anyway, good thing we're replacing it. This is the end that was leaking that I noticed. You can just see how messed up that is. So super brittle. Time for a new one. Let's go get one. All right, back from the auto parts store. It's time to put the new line in. I got some new, I don't know what that is, 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch. Don't quote me on that. I asked him for the same thing. All right, see what we can do. I'll put you on my head. We'll get this party started. All right, let's get started. Okay. Phosphorescent. Got it. Let's just get that started. Let's get this one in. Oh, I hope they gave me long enough. Looks like it. pull this out a lot easier when it's not brittle as frick. Okay, I think that's right. Okay. Hey folks, I guess I should give you some details on what I'm doing, who I am, and what my boat and truck are. So currently I'm at an apartment complex, so ignore the trash. I clean it up when I can, but people are terrible. All right, so what I got here is a 1448 G2, G3. It's on a Harbor Freight trailer. Never buy that. With a 15 horsepower Johnson. That is a 1979 15 horsepower. It runs great. Got a small issue with the idle, but she's running good. And this right here is my 2001 Jeep Cherokee. It's looked better, but she's mine. Needs a paint job, but other than that, she's beautiful. All right, so that's me. That's my tow rig and my boat. I'll take you out on it one day. See you guys.